The KL Bird Park in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. KL Bird Park in Kuala Lumpur is one of the world's largest covered bird parks, home to over 3,000 birds from more than 200 species. Opened in 1991, the park spans approximately 20.9 acres and offers various attractions and activities for visitors. These include free-flight aviaries, feeding sessions, shows, educational programs, and photography opportunities. It's a popular destination for tourists and locals seeking to experience the beauty of nature and learn about different bird species in a peaceful urban setting.